What's up guys, Earl here, Tech, and here with us today is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. This is the brand new mid-range smartphone from the brand, and we will be unboxing it in this video. So here's the box. It says right here, Latin American version, because the particular smartphone will be available worldwide. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this smartphone. Right here, as you can see, it has a 32 megapixel ultra clear glowing selfie. It also has a J88 gaming processor, a 15 megapixel ultra clear rear camera, 6.8 Full HD plus 90Hz refresh rate display, and without any further talking, let's go ahead and pull this up. There we go. So with that out of the way, we have here the unit itself. And underneath the smartphone, we have the jelly case for protection. Although I kind of wanted to rock it naked because it's not glass at all. Next, we have the user manual, a 12 months warranty card, and we do also get here a power brick and another box which contains, I'm seeing something, USB to Type-C cable for charging and data transfers, and also we do have a headphones. It's pretty rare to see a smartphone that has a 3.5mm audio jack. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and explore the Tecno 10 Pro Spark. When it comes to the design, we dig the squared off edges as it feels more ergonomic, especially if you have small hands like me. On top of that, the unit we have is in the pearl white colorway, which shifts color depending on the angle of the lighting. On the left side, we have the SIM card slot. Situated on the right side, we have the volume rockers and the sleep wake button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Nothing can be found at the top, while down at the bottom we have the USB-C port, speaker grill, primary microphone, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back, we have a very subtle Tecno Spark branding as well as a very familiar camera layout. It kind of resembles the camera layout on the current generation iPhones, though instead of the telephoto sensor on this side, we do get the dual LED flash here instead. Overall, the build quality looks good and feels sturdy, though I cannot say that it feels premium to the touch, but in the eyes, it does. Up front, we have a 6.8-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 capable of producing 407 ppi. It also has a 90Hz refresh rate, has a DCI-P3 color gamut for more accurate colors. And yes, even though this is a mid-ranger, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro's display is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass. For performance, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro packs a Helio J88 processor, 8 gigs of RAM which is expandable, and a 128 gigs of internal storage. We will be exploring this device in our review pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Up front, we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and we have a 15 megapixel rear camera sensor. For battery, we have a sizable 5000 mAh with support for 18-watt fast charging. Now for software, it runs on Android 13 skinned with iOS v12.6.0. For pricing, we will be revealing it pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. If you are interested in the Tecno 10 Pro Spark, we will be doing a full review on this device coming up real soon. So, what do you guys think about this device? Are you getting one for yourself? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to visit www.yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.